You're eating, talking. And hic. Annoying, right? But what actually causes hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. That quick jerk makes your vocal cords snap shut, and that's the hic sound you hear. They're usually caused by stuff like eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even getting nervous. Cold drinks and spicy food. Yeah, those two. The longest hiccup attack ever. It lasted 68 years. A man named Charles Osborne hiccuped from 1922 to 1990. No joke. Most hiccups go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water upside down might help reset that diaphragm. Want more weird body facts? Subscribe and we'll keep them coming. No hiccups, promise.